She is running Venezuela with an iron fist. She does what I tell her to do. Oh no. Security.
This is for justice.
In the shadowed halls of Mar-a-Lago, under the glow of crystal chandeliers dripping with excess, Zorro emerges from the velvet curtains like a ghost from old Hollywood. His black cape swirls with dramatic flair, mask concealing all but his piercing eyes. Donald Trump stands there, mid-tweet, oblivious to the swashbuckler's approach. With a flick of his wrist, Zorro draws his gleaming fencing foil, long, slender, and sharp as a satirist's pen. In one fluid motion, he carves a perfect Z across Trump's forehead, the mark bleeding just enough to make a statement without ruining the hairpiece. Trump staggers back, hand to his brow, eyes wide. "What the?" Zorro sheathes his blade with a flourish, tipping his hat. In a thick Spanish accent, rolling his R's like thunder over the Andes, he declares, "Senor Trump, you just installed a worse dictator than Maduro." The room falls silent, save for the distant echo of mariachi music and the faint sound of history laughing. Zorro vanishes into the night, leaving behind a trail of justice and a very confused Secret Service agent.